In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate the support options for your account. Let's get started by focusing on how you can access help directly when you need it. First things first, you'll want to access your account info and settings. Start by locating and clicking on your profile icon. This is usually at the top right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile picture or a generic avatar icon, depending on how you've set up your account. Clicking on this icon will present you with a drop-down menu where you can see the option for account info and settings. This section is essentially the control panel for your account, where you can manage various preferences and settings. Next, you'll need to navigate to Pro Support. Just look for the option within your settings menu. The Pro Support option is particularly designed for users who need more advanced assistance, and getting to this section will bring you closer to directly contacting the support team. It's your go-to for prompt and tailored help when you're facing any sort of issue or have specific questions. Once you're in the Pro Support area, the next step is to initiate a support request by clicking the Contact button. Doing this usually brings up a web form or a chat interface. This is your ticket to reaching out to the support team. When filling out the form or initiating the chat, it's a good idea to be as detailed as possible about the issue at hand. This clarity will help the support team address your concern more efficiently. Now, sometimes the initial response you receive might not quite resolve your issue. If the AI's response doesn't hit the mark, you'll have the option to select "No, I need more help." Opting for this will connect you with a live human agent. Having the opportunity to speak with a human can be incredibly beneficial, especially if your problem is complex or requires a nuanced understanding that goes beyond the capabilities of automated responses. In situations where you're asked additional questions or need to provide more information, remember to stay clear and concise. This transparency can significantly speed up the resolution process. Also, while you're in conversation, don't hesitate to ask for any clarifications or repeat information if something isn't clear. The goal is to make sure that you've successfully communicated your issue and that you receive the support you need. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to accessing and navigating support through your profile's account settings. This way, you'll always know how to get the help you need when you need it.